Lakshan Learn Max. So this video I am again back with a few of the important formula lists from the chapter mensuration. So let's go into the video very quickly without wasting our time. And before that, let us let me request the same thing, that is like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, that is Lakshan Learn Max. So let's go into the video. So that is first formula. It is, you know, that mensuration chapter, it comes in 10th standard mathematics. So the first the shape, that is first shape, what is that we are going to discuss is cylinder. So this is for cylinder. What is LSA? LSA is lateral surface area. Okay, so the lateral surface area, it is 2 pi RH. Then coming to the TSA, that is total surface area, is equal to 2 pi R into R plus H or H plus R. And coming to the volume, volume is nothing but the space occupied by any solid shape. So it is pi R square H. So this is the formula for volume of a cylinder. Okay. Next, coming to the cone formula, it is pi RL. LSA is nothing but pi in pi RL. Next, TSA of cone is equal to pi R into L plus R. Coming to the volume, it is 1 by 3 pi R square H. So these are the three important formula from cone, of cone. Okay, coming to the frustum of a cone. So frustum of a cone, you know this frustum shape. It is a solid shape, of course. The conical shape which is cut, the top part will be cut. Okay, it is just a tumbler. Example is a tumbler or a stool. So these are the example for frustum of a cone. So all these are solid shapes because it occupies the space. And these are three-dimensional shapes. Okay. So next, coming to this LSA. LSA of frustum of a cone is equal to pi into R1 plus R2 because it will have a two radius, two circles. Okay. So that's why. So it is pi into R1 plus R2 into L. Next, coming to TSA of frustum of a cone is equal to pi into R1 plus R2 into L plus R1 square plus R2 square. Now just volume of the frustum of a cone is nothing but 1 by 3 pi into H R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2. Okay. Next, coming to the sphere. Sphere. Okay, sphere. The LSA of a sphere, actually there is no lateral surface area for that because it is a completely curve. Okay. So we will take the total surface area of a sphere. It is 4 pi R square. Okay. It is 4 pi R square. Okay. Next, volume of a sphere is very important formula for most of the competitive exams. It is 4 by 3 pi R cube. Very important it is. And next is a hemisphere, that is half of the sphere. It is LSA is 2 pi R square and TSA of a hemisphere is nothing but 3 pi R square and volume of hemisphere is nothing but 2 by 3 pi R cube. So these are the very important formula list from the chapter mensuration. So I am going to do some of the important problems based on this formula also. That is combined solids also I am going to do. So which is going to helpful for all the competitive exams. So let's go to the problem. That is, a diameter of a garden roller is 1.4 meter and length is 2 meter. It takes 5 revolutions to complete the garden. Okay. So then find the area of the garden. So by reading this problem we can understand that. So the garden roller is in the shape of the cylinder. Okay. So it is, we have to find out from 1.4 meter, which is the diameter. From this we have to find out the radius, and here length 2 meter is considered as the height of the cylinder. Okay. So now first we have to find out the LSA, since it is only the lateral surface area that touches this. No, only the surface area that touches the garden, that rotates. No, so that's why we have to take only the lateral surface area of this cylinder. So let's find out that. So here I'll just do it directly. Here it is radius. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, that is 1.4 divided by 2, which is equal to 0.7 meters. Okay. Now height is equal to h is equal to, it is 2 meter. Now it takes 5 revolutions, number of revolutions, that is it is 5. Okay. Now what is it we have to find out here? Area of the garden. So area of the garden is equal to area of the curved surface area of the rollers, that is, or lateral surface area of the roller, or okay, just write on here LSA of roller or cylinder. I'll just write it as a cylinder only here. Cylinder into 5 times is, no, it is 5 times into 5 revolutions, into 5 times, it is 5 revolutions. Okay. Now what is the LSA of a cylinder? It is 2 pi RH, 2 pi RH into 5. Now it is 5 into, it is just right here 2 into, you know the value of pi, it is 22 by 7 and R is equal to 0.7 and h is equal to 2 and into 5 as it is. Now by doing the calculations, means simplification, we can just cancel. It is 7 ones are, it is 7.1, it is no 7 into 0.1, and just you can, if you multiply all this remaining, we get the answer as 44 meter square. Okay, so here first what you can do is you can just find out LSA of a cylinder and then multiply by 5, or directly in the formula itself, area of the roller. Area of the roller will be in the cylindrical shapes. Yes, no, cylindrical shape. So this only this surface rotates. It rotates 5 times to complete the garden. So it is, you have to take only LSA of a cylinder and into multiply by 5 times. So after simplification, so 22 into 2 into 2 into 5. So multiply all these things, we get 44 meter square. Okay, so directly it is 22 2s are 44 and here 2 5s are 10 into 0.1. So everything you get 44 meter squares. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now let's see the second problem. Now the radii of two right circular cylinders. Okay, so the radii of two right circular cylinders are in the ratio 2:3, and ratio of their curved surface area is nothing but lateral surface area only. Okay, next area is 5:6. Then find the ratio of their heights. We are supposed to find the area of their heights. Here we have to consider two cylinders here. Okay, so it is, we have to divide the radius of two cylinders, that is R1 by R2, and then curved surface area also, that is S1 S2 A1 A2 or S1 S2, you can take it anything here. So let us do like this. It is so what is given here, it is radius of first cylinder, that is I'll take it as R1 divided by R2, so which is equal to 2/3. Yes, next CSA is nothing but S1 or A1 only, will take it. So A1 by A2, so that is in their ratio, it is 5/6. 5:6 is 5/6. So now simplify this. What is the area of cylinder again? It is 2 pi RH. Yes, no, 2 pi RH. So instead of 2 pi RH, we have to take 2 pi R1 H1, because we have two cylinders here. Yes, no, two cylinders. So we have to avoid confusions, we have to take R1 and H1 and divided by again 2 pi R2 H2. So which is equal to 5 divided by 6 in the RHS as it is. Now here again, so here 2 and 2 and pi, these two cancels. Now you have to take the remaining terms as it is. So it is R1 H1 and R2 H2 is equal to 5/6. This is remaining. Now what is R1 and R1 by R2? It is given, it is already, it is 2 divided by 3. 2/3 into, so we are supposed to calculate the ratio of heights only, that is H1 by H2 we are supposed to calculate. So which is equal to 5/6. Now what is it we have to do? Now we have to cross multiply. So it is H1 by H2 is equal to, H1 by H2 is equal to, I'll just do it here. It is H1 by H2 is equal to, so what is that? It is 5/6 as it is. Okay, and what is along with H1 by H2, this one? So it is 2/3. So 2/3 is multiplied here. So it will take the reciprocal. So we have to take the reciprocal here. So it becomes 3/2. Okay. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are. Now it is 5 ones are 5 and divided by 2 twos are 4. So it is 5 divided by 4, or we have to express it in the form of ratio. Therefore you can just write it as 5:4. So it is 5:4. That is, height is in the ratio of 5:4. Okay. So these are also very important problems for competitive exams, and these sums I have taken it from SSLC board, that is 10th standard textbook. I have taken this. So these are all very interesting and very important also. The third sum here, it is a mansion has 12 cylindrical pillars, each having the circumference 50 centimeter and height is 3.5 meters. And find the cost of painting the lateral surface of all the pillars at rupees 150 per square meter. So a mansion has got 12 cylindrical pillars like this, and it has got a circumference. The base is nothing but the circumference. Okay, so the boundary, so that is 50 centimeter, and height is nothing but this height is nothing but it is 3.5 meters. And what will be the cost? What will the cost of painting of all the 12 cylindrical pillars? Okay, only we are going to color only the lateral surface. Okay, for and what will be the cost? If it is for 1 square meter, it is rupees 150. Now what is given here? It is circumference is nothing but 2 pi r. Okay, so which is 50 centimeters. So we have converted into meters because this is in meters actually. Cost is given in meters. Now height is nothing but here 3.5 meters. It is given. Now lateral surface of lateral surface area. Lateral surface area of a cylinder. So it is equal to 2 pi RH. Yes, no? So it is 2 pi RH. So here it is for, this is for one cylinder. So we have got here 12 cylinders. Yes, no? So here it is 12. So multiply by 12. So it is, so 12 into or 12 into it is 2 pi as it is. So it's, no, you need not to write 2 pi as it is. You just, it is 2 pi r. 2 pi r is given already. Yes, no? So 2 pi r is nothing but here 50 divided by 100. So easy it is. So instead of calculating for r and all, it's difficult. So it is given directly, it is 2 pi r. So into h is given, it is 3.5. Okay. Now just after simplification, we get it is 21. So it is 0, 0 cancels, 5 ones are, 5 twos are. Again 2 ones are, 2 6 are 12. So 2 ones are, 2 6 are 12. So just multiply this 3.5 into 6. So we get it is 21. So 21 meter squares. Okay. So the surface area is nothing but 21 meter square. So what is the cost? We are supposed to calculate the cost. Cost for 12 cylindrical pillars. So it is, how much it is? So 21 meter squares into rupees 150. So what is this? It is 3,150 rupees. So okay. So this is the cost which is going to happen for 12 cylindrical pillars for of height 3.5 meters. Okay. So I hope you have understood. Let's go for the fourth problem. So it is, the height of a right circular cylinder is 14 centimeter and the radius of its base is 2 centimeters. Now we are supposed to calculate CSA also. CSA is nothing but LSA. Okay. Lateral surface area. This here we call it as curved surface area. Since it doesn't have any lateral surface area, it is curved. So both almost is same, almost, of course, for casual speaking. Okay, and next TSC also we are supposed to calculate. Now it is, so what is given here? Height is given. Yes, no. So height is equal to 14 centimeter and radius is equal to 2 centimeter. It's given here. Now what is CSC of a cylinder? CSC of a cylinder is nothing but again 2 pi RH. So don't get confused here. CSC and LSC are both one and the same. So it is 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r. R is equal to 2 into 14. So in this type of problems, most of the sums will divide by 7, of course. So that type of numbers only will be given. Okay, measurements. So it is 7 2s are 14. So multiply this 44 into 2 into 2. It becomes 176 centimeter square. So it is a direct problem actually. So direct substitution problem. Okay, next what is it? TSA. So TSA is nothing but here if it's, so I'll just explain here. So this is a cylinder. So if you just calculate only the lateral, okay, only this lateral surfaces, this is, lateral faces, it is called lateral surface area. If you just add the surface of the base also and also the top portion. So if you add this circular portion, then it becomes total surface area. Okay. So that becomes here total surface area of a cylinder is equal to, so 2 pi r into r plus h. Okay. So this is the formula you have to remember, and before that you should know the meaning of CSA or LSA or TSA clearly. Okay. So 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r it is 2 into r it is 2 plus h is equal to 14. So after simplification it becomes 2 into, just do it now. Okay, it is 2 into 22 divided by 7 into 2 into 16. Okay, you can just 16 you can 16 2s multiply 32. Now after simplification, that is 2 into 22 into 2 into 16. So if you multiply and then divide by 7, we get the answer as 201 into 201.14 centimeters square. Okay, so just you can multiply and divide it and put it in the comment box, of course. Okay, so this is the answer for the total surface area, and this is 176 is nothing but the lateral surface area or the curved surface area. Okay. Okay, fifth problem I'm going to tell here. It is the diameter of a garden roller is 1.4 meter and 2 meter long. How much area will it cover in 5 revolutions? So it is, so diameter is given. So diameter is nothing but 2 times r. So here 2 times r is, which of course you know the CSA formula is 2 pi rh. Instead of finding r, you can just write 2r as it is. It is 1.4 meter and h is equal to 2 meter, which is given the problem. Now what is CSA of garden roller? So garden roller is in the shape of cylinder. Okay, only this lateral surface area touches the ground. Yes, no? So therefore we have to find out only this CSA, nothing but LAC. I repeat once again. Okay, so it is 2 pi RH. So it is 1.4. I'm writing 2r. 2 into r as diameter. It is 1.4 into pi is 22 by 7 into h as 22. Now just 7 ones are 7 and it is 0.2. It is 1.4 is nothing but only if you cancel it, it is 0.2. 7 2s are. Okay, now multiply this 22 into 2 and into 0.2. So we are getting the answer as it is, of course, h is equal to, it is not h is equal to, it is CSA. CSA is equal to 44 meter square. So this I get by multiplying by 5, of course. So I am just taking here directly 5. You can multiply directly here 5. So you get 44 meter square. So why I am multiplying 5? Because it is 5 revolutions. Okay. So after multiplying 5, we are getting 44 meter square. Okay. So this is the answer. Now the sixth problem, it is the find the volume of a right circular cylinder whose radius is 10.5 centimeter and height is equal to 16 centimeters. So here r is equal to given, it is 10.5 centimeter and h is equal to 16 centimeter is given. So it is h is equal to 16 centimeter is given. So what is it we are supposed to calculate? It is volume. Volume is nothing but the space occupied by the cylinder. So it is volume is equal to pi r square h. This is the formula, 5 pi r square h. Now it is pi is equal to 22 by 7. Again r is nothing but 10.5 into 10.5 because square it is, okay, 10.5 into h is nothing but 16. Okay, after simplification just multiply this 10.5 into 10.5 and just multiply and then divide by 7. So we get the answer as 5544 centimeters cube. Okay, so we have to write the cylinder, that is volume in cubic units. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now seventh problem. Two circular cylinders of equal volumes have their heights in the ratio 1:2. Okay, so it is heights are given in the ratio 1:2 and find the ratio of their radii. So this type problem also we have done already. So it is, so radii ratio we are supposed to calculate. So it is given as, so it is h1, I'll just do it here, h1, I show the problem here too. So two circular cylinders of equal volume. So it is h1 by h2. h1 by h2 is given as 1 by 2 and we are supposed to calculate r1 by r2 we are supposed to calculate, and here v1, what is this, equal volumes are given. So it is v1 is equal to v2. Okay, v1, what is it? v1 is nothing but first circular cylinder and second circular cylinder is v2. Okay, so v1 is equal to v2. So now what is the volume of a cylinder? It is, just now we did here in the previous problem, it is pi r square h. Yes, no? So pi r square, that is instead of r square we have to take r1. So whenever two circular cylinders or two squares or two cuboids means we have to take r and h as 1 or 2 as subscription 1 and h1 here. So it is h1, okay, and which is equal to pi into r2 square into h2. So here r1, so pi and pi get cancels, okay, directly here, and here r1 square by r2 square is equal to h2 divided by, after simplification it is h2 divided by h1. So now just take the square root. To remove the square we have to take the square root on both the sides. It becomes, so r1 divided by r2 is equal to h2 divided by h1 within the square root. Okay, so this becomes 2 divided by 1. So it is root 2 divided by 1. You have to take the square root for this also. So it is root 2 divided by 1 is the ratio, that is radii is equal to r is equal to, that is it is root 2 is to 1 ratios, I mean radius is in the ratio root 2 into is to 1. Okay, so this is 7th problem. Okay, so now let's go to 8th problem, so which I am going to give you as an assignment. Okay, so few of them are doing and giving me the comments. Of course you are doing it good. Okay, others also can try this because it is helpful for all the examinations. So let's see here this 8th one. Okay, a rectangular sheet of paper for that is 44 centimeter and 20 centimeter is rolled along its length to form a cylinder. Find the volume of the cylinder is so formed. Okay, so you can just try this. So next video I am going to give you the answer. Next 9th one also, the inner diameter of a circular well is 2.8 meter. The inner diameter of the circular well is 2.8 meter. It is 10 meter deep. Find its inner curved surface area. Also find the cost of plastering this curved surface at the rate of 42 per meter square. This is also your assignment. So whoever is interesting and whoever is watching this video, I expect you to try this problem. Okay, so just next 10th problem is also for you. It is a glass cylinder with diameter 20 centimeter, has water to a height of 9 centimeter. A metal cube of 8 centimeter edge is immersed in it completely. To calculate the height by which water will raise in the cylinder. Okay, just go through this. You can, if you want to translate it in Tamil, you can just translate it and write it. Just practice. Okay, just practice and give me the answers in the comment box. So meet you in the next video. So in the next video I am going to discuss more about the mental ability problems, that is blood relations, all those. So keep watching my channel, that is Lakshya and Learn Maths, and this whatever the workout, I mean the workout sheets, whatever I have done here, so everything I am going to put it in the form of a PDF in the description box. You can just check the description box also. So thank you and have a nice day and all the best for your exams. This video is very useful for you, so share this video to all the needed students. So let me meet you in another important concept. So till then, bye.